Nilight LED Light Bar, 25-inch 162W. The Nilight LED Light Bar, 25-inch 162W, is a high-quality product that offers excellent illumination and durability. With its white color and rectangular shape, it has a modern and sleek appearance that adds a touch of elegance to any setting. Crafted with 6063 aluminum alloy profile, this light bar is not only lightweight but also resistant to corrosion and rust. The use of high-quality LED chips ensures a long lifespan and efficient performance. The PC lens further enhances the light quality by providing a clear and focused beam. The Nilight LED Light Bar. 25-inch 162W is easy to install, and its alloy and aluminum finish give it a polished look. It operates on a voltage of 12 volts, generating a brightness of 12 lumens. With a color temperature of 6,500 Kelvin, it emits a bright white light that is perfect for various applications. This light bar does not come with batteries included, but it can be conveniently powered by batteries.